I'm 43 years old, I've been doing DIY for years, and somehow I've never seen one of these. This is a wood chisel for an SDS drill. Apparently these have existed for ages, and I had absolutely no idea. You just pop it into hammer mode, and it basically turns your drill into an angry carpenter. Now, obviously, it's not going to replace real chisels or proper chisels, but for rough work, this thing is ridiculous. It feels completely wrong, but it works too well. My robot mower always gets caught on this edge here. I genuinely can't believe I've only just discovered these, and they're cheap as well, only like a tenner. I haven't even sharpened this one. Definitely dangerous information, link in the description.